Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a new slide on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint. Now from here open any document. Now today I'll show you two methods that you can use to create a new slide on PowerPoint. You can see in my document already a slide is created. Now for the first method, if you want to create a new slide, just click on Home tab. Now here on the slide option you can see new slide option, then just click here. And here you can see so many options. If I select it, and that's it. If you scroll down, then you can see a slide has been created successfully. Now for the second method, you have to just press Ctrl plus M from your keyboard, and that's it. Here you can see in my document a third slide has been created successfully. You can also change your slide layout from here. You have to just select it and then click on layout option, and from here you can change your slide layout. If I select it, then you can change slide layout design from here. If I select this design, and that's it. And that is how you can create a new slide on PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.